Okay, so hey everyone, I'm going to be waxing my eyebrows. The first step is to kind of brush them up and then trim them. I have really long eyebrow hairs, which sounds kind of weird, but definitely gotta trim those babies up before I do anything else. Now to prepare my skin for the wax, I'm putting on some epilation powder. You want to get all that moisture off of your skin before you apply the wax, so that the wax can come off very cleanly. All right, still trimming. Gotta get that even. Then now I picked up some wax here. It's a really cool microwavable wax. It's hard wax, so you don't actually need like cloth strips to put over it. The wax itself becomes the strip, if that makes sense. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm a little out of practice, but I do get the job done, so that's good. So I'm kind of just going with the natural shape of my eyebrow, nothing crazy, just cleaning up. I like to keep my eyebrows nice and thick as much as possible. Yeah, my eyebrows aren't that thick anymore thanks to the 2000s trend of having really thin eyebrows. I definitely overplucked in my preteens, but since then it has grown back quite a bit, so I like to keep it nice and thick. So I'm doing the underside of my eyebrows first. I've brushed my eyebrows all the way up and I'm just getting all those stray hairs. Oh yeah. Let that dry a bit. Okay, now I'm doing my face area. I guess my mustache. I don't really have a mustache, but you know what I mean. Prepping that. Okay, now we have jumped ahead to ripping that hard wax off. So like I said earlier, the wax itself becomes a strip. I'm having a little bit of trouble here. I think I didn't put enough powder, so there must be like some moisture on my skin, which is why it's not coming off completely cleanly. So yeah, note to self, next time definitely put more powder on. This side came off a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on the top part of my brow. So I brushed everything down and now I'm applying the wax to the upper side of my eyebrow, to like my brow bone. And again, just cleaning up, not trying to take away any like volume, anything like that, just the stray hairs. So I tried, I had two different types of waxing sticks, I guess you could say, popsicle sticks, whatever you want to call them. I have like really thin ones that I'm using here. And then on the other side, I have like a thicker one. I think I actually like the thinner one for more precision. So just note to self, probably use the thinner one for everything. The thicker ones are better for like more facial type stuff. So here I'm doing my little, don't have a mustache. Let me just put that out there. But you know, just like clean it up around my mouth, making sure there's no like peach fuzz in like areas that I don't want there to be. Okay, so now I'm trying to dry it a little bit. So the trick is you don't want it to dry completely, because if it's too dry, the wax is no longer flexible. But you want it to dry just enough so that it has, picked up the hair. So here I am having like a little bit of issues again. I really do think that's due to like moisture on my face. So my bad. Alright. Getting ready to do the other side. And I'm trying to show you the hairs. Can't really see, but it did pick up quite a bit of stray hair. Okay, so now just brushing my eyebrows into place. I've gotten the underside, gotten the top side. If you have a unibrow, you probably want to do between your eyes. I don't have that, so I didn't do it. Ouch! Okay, so now I'm getting my little peach fuzz around my mouth taken care of. So fresh and so clean. The other side. Ow! Okay, just kidding. It didn't really hurt. So then what you want to do is take the strip that you just took off, and it could be like any facial strip. I use this one because it's kind of like chunky, and you could use it to pick up any leftover wax, because the wax sticks to the wax, if that makes sense. So I'm just picking up any remaining wax particles on my face. That's all that I'm doing here. Alright, so now I just want to, you know, put a little eyebrow powder on, just finish the look, even though I'm not going anywhere. I just want to, you know, see the final product of all the hard work that I put in. I don't usually use eyebrow powder, but I just felt like using it today. So I'm just filling them in just ever so slightly. I used to have really harsh eyebrows, or that's how I used to do my makeup, but now I like that really soft look, so maybe that's why I went for the powder. So there you go. No spa, no problem. Voila, finished eyebrows, waxed up.